Hi everyone, here we've got Motorola One Fusion Plus, and let me show you how to block specific number on this device. So first of all, let's open the dialer and let's choose the three dots icon. Click on the settings, and here we've got the blocked numbers, so simply tap on it. As you can see, here we've got the list of previously blocked numbers, and also we've got other options, so unknown option. It means that your device will block calls from unidentified callers. Now it is turned on. If you want to turn it off, just tap on it, but let me leave it like this. If you want, we can of course add a number manually, so simply tap on it, and here let's enter the number we want to block. If you are ready, click on block, and as you can see, it immediately appears on our blacklist, and it means that you won't receive any incoming calls or text messages from that number. If you want to unblock a number and receive calls and texts, then simply tap on this X button right next to it and click on unblock, and as you can see, this number has been unblocked. So that's all. This is how to block a number in your Motorola One Fusion Plus. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.